Have you ever noticed that your skin gets into eruptions as soon as you start applying makeup? If yes, keep watching. This video is for you. Hello guys, I'm Taricka and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. Thank you. Keep coming back for more videos and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna bust the biggest myth that you have ever heard about makeup. Makeup causes breakouts. Now, for the longest time, I was convinced that it is my makeup that is the root cause for all my acne issues until I discovered that it were the habits that came along with the process of applying makeup that led to the acne. So in this video I'm going to tell you about 3 makeup habits that you need to swear by if you want to make makeup a part of your life, or if it already is, or if you never want to have another spot on your face because of makeup. Step number 1, clean your brushes. Now, I'm not going to leave you at that. In fact, in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. I will in detail explain to you all the 3 steps so you exactly know what to do. Okay, now before you get started, cleaning up your surface is super important. Especially with the current tense COVID situations, hygiene has become more important than ever. I personally enjoy working when my surroundings are really clean. Okay, so these are my clean brushes. This is like kind of my reference point. I want to get to as close as these ones, if not as clean, obviously, because they are almost new. Okay, so this is like what the clean one looks like. I'm going to try and match mine to look like this. I mean, we can certainly try, right? If you've never cleaned your brushes, let's do it together. So I'm going to start off by filling my sink with warm water. And to this, I'm going to add some liquid soap. A body wash or a shampoo could also work equally well. Just swirl the water with your finger so that all the soap is evenly distributed in the water. Okay, so these are the ones that have been through the grind. I've been using them for about 5 weeks now. They certainly need to be washed. I'm going to start off by throwing them one by one into the warm soapy water. Make sure you put all your makeup brushes in there, even your beauty blenders, your makeup sponges, and everything, absolutely everything that you use to apply your makeup. Use your fingers to rub the bristles of the brushes nicely and take off all the residue of makeup that has been lying there for weeks now. Feel free to add as much soap as you want, especially if you're doing this process for the first time or after a very long time. Okay, now if you're doing it for the first time or after a very long time, you are bound to forget this little sponge that has been lying there forever, unclean and dirty. After dealing with a lot of acne, I realized that this little applicator could be the only dirty instrument that I missed cleaning and probably would be causing all the acne issues that I ever had. So please clean it thoroughly. You do get a lot of cleaning kits nowadays in the market, but I prefer this old school method of soaking them in warm soapy water. It always works for me, and I think it becomes super clean. Oh my god, can you believe it? So much makeup residue coming off your brushes. I'm sure you never knew there is so much makeup inside your brushes. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it in here for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, my brushes have been sitting there for about 25 minutes now. I'm gonna drain out all the water. Wow, they look so nice and clean. Okay, now I'm just gonna run it under some clean water to get all the soap out of the brushes. I tend to go an extra mile cleaning my eyeshadow brushes because, like, you literally use it to deposit color onto your eyes, so it has so much color in there. Okay, I'm gonna pick these up and lay a nice clean towel here and put all of these brushes back on that towel and wipe it off with that so that they're nice and dry. Okay, I see no makeup residue getting onto the clean towel, which means we did a good job. See? Number two, disinfect your makeup. For this, I'm going to be using some paper towel and alcohol spirit. Like, literally, you can get any one that you get at your nearest drugstore. Soak the paper towel in some decent amount of spirit and take this and start cleaning your makeup. Open your makeup, clean the top layer, clean on the insides. The first product that can be holding a lot of germs is your pressing powder or your compact. Make sure to clean it on the outsides, on the insides. Make sure to clean the casing also. You do not want to put your clean sponge into a dirty, contaminated case. You do have to apply a bit of pressure when cleaning this. You almost erode the top layer of your compact or pressing powder. The idea here is to remove the germs from the top contaminated layer if there are any. Okay, so now this is taken care of. Okay, make sure you use a fresh tissue for every new product. You do not want to be transferring the germs from one product to the other. Okay, this one is my concealer, my favorite concealer. It's been there with me for like a year now. I think it's almost getting over. So I start off by cleaning again on the insides. Okay, this is definitely not going to start looking like a new product altogether. That's going to be tedious. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process with my foundation bottles, my blush ons, the outsides of my bottle, the inner sides of my bottle, my lid. Look at that. And be sure to clean the nozzles of the bottle too. You know, I have a tendency to leave my bottles open when I go out. So if you do that too, please make sure you clean it thoroughly. Okay, now this is a relatively new product, but I still do clean it from the insides and the outsides because my skin is pretty acne prone, so I do not want to take a chance. And that's it. You do that to all your products, and that is how you disinfect your products and make sure everything is clean. Now we move on to the last step, but not the least, super important one. I do not have too much makeup on my face right now, but I want to make sure I get off every speck of makeup from my face. There is certainly more than one way that you can clean your makeup. I normally use a good cleansing wipe or some cleansing milk with a few cotton pads. Now, if you've ever dealt with acne, you'd know that we tend to get breakouts at the most oddest places on our faces, like the edges of our lips, like inside your eyebrows, near the ear, under the chin. Oh my god, it's crazy. Okay, look how much I got off. Now, this is on the day when I have not applied too much makeup. Okay, guys, I'm not yet done. The last thing I'm gonna do is wash off my face and wash all the residue makeup off with a good cleanser that suits my face. Get anything that suits your face, it's really important, especially if you have an acne prone skin. And make sure to clean the neck as well. Or else you'll surprisingly wake up with a spot on your neck. To be honest, right now I have like a spot out of nowhere on my neck. It is so random. And then just pat your face dry with a nice soft towel napkin, and you are done. Good night.